my little shipheads. Welcome back to Ship Talk, where I talk ship about crime, weirdness, and general oddities in the world of supply chain. This week, we're headed north, way north. Every winter in northern Canada, something happens that sounds completely ridiculous until you see it. Entire highways will just appear on frozen lakes and rivers. These are called ice roads, and they're engineered winter highways built directly on top of frozen water and frozen ground. Lakes, rivers, muskeg, if it freezes thick enough, it can become part of the road network. You'll find these roads mostly in places like the Northwest Territories, Nunavut, Northern Ontario, and Manitoba, where many communities and mining operations are so remote that they aren't connected by permanent roads. But these roads don't just appear naturally. Every winter, construction crews actually build them from scratch. First, they clear the snow from the ice because snow acts as an insulation and slows the freezing process. Then, they sometimes flood the surface with water, which freezes to add additional layers and thickness to the road. By the time heavy trucks start using the route, the ice can be over a meter thick in some sections. That's 3 feet plus for our US friends. And the trucks using it are not small. These roads are for fuel tankers, construction equipment, food shipments, and massive industrial components destined for remote mining operations and communities. The operating window is short, usually January through March, when the ice is the thickest and safest. Safety is a constant concern, so crews monitor the ice thickness using specialized equipment, including ground penetrating radar, to make sure the ice can support these loads. Drivers also have strict rules about speed and spacing, since the pressure from the trucks can create waves under the ice, which is no bueno. Once temperatures rise in the spring, the ice starts to weaken and the roads shut down. Within a few weeks, the entire highway system disappears, and the lakes go back to looking like, well, lakes. Anyways, that's your story for this week. Make sure to follow and share, and I will see you next time.